Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the metal frame for loose screws, bent temples, or worn nose pads. This prevents damage once you wear them. Once done, measure or confirm pupillary distance so lenses sit on your visual axis. This is why comfort equals clear vision. Make sure to tighten screws lightly and test temple tension. Small tweaks avoid pressure points. You can also warm frame very briefly if needed to realign. Do this carefully to prevent finish damage. You now perform the detailed alignment. Warm metal frames gently with your hands or a hairdryer to make controlled bends. This prevents snapping. Then, adjust nose pads so the frame tilt gives the lower lens edge at the lower pupil line. This maintains reading comfort and reduces distortion. Once pads set, tweak temple curve behind the ear for even pressure. If one side sits higher, counterbend the opposite temple subtly. Test by wearing them for several minutes and recheck alignment. You finish by securing screws just snug. Over-tightening risks stripping threads, then clean lenses with a microfiber cloth to verify clarity. Once done, walk and look at various distances to confirm stable vision. This validates alignment and comfort. If you experience pressure, slippage, or double vision, reevaluate pupillary distance and frame tilt and make incremental corrections. If problems persist, consult an optician. Professional adjustment prevents frame damage and ensures prescription accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.